didn't invite you for the global citizen thing? Does it affect you in any way?
I didn't feel bad at all. It was just that, I felt, everybody in the country, really slept, on Shatta Wale, including the president. You understand me? In our talk, say, Mama, who asked, is Shatta on it? Nana knows me personally. You understand me? So if you are doing something like that and I'm your son, you should even ask, is my son on board? Stoneboy is your son, Tusakore is your son. All your children are there. The one that you like most is not there. Nana, why? Like I feel bad small. But if president go there, because the president is my guy. If somebody way into the problems we are the tell them and things. I mean, I tell them I'm tired. They know they remind me again. So I say, Charlie, make I just do my thing. So basically, I don't know if I feel bad about them, but it make like we just sleep. Like maybe some investors will come down and actually say what we get. We go give them bauxite. We will give them say ufuntung, all the raw materials we have, gold and cocoa, everything. Then we leave gold. That's how
you saw it. Shatta Wale, be honest with us. Is there really a GOG album? Because it's been 3 years. 3.
Yeah.
Is there really an album, or you're just taking all of us on some ride?
Okay, so this is what I would say. This is where everybody around, should, give me a round of applause, for, keeping people talking for 3 years about GOG. That's the whole marketing strategy. You understand me? Yeah, because if I go keep everybody to talk, GOG, people they sleep, somebody they feed dream, somebody they come and say, Shatta, you and Rihanna do song. I say, shall I have dream? I say you and this. I say, no, I don't meet them before. People, and it's so beautiful that everyone is talking about it. There is a GOG album, yes. The way we won't push them and I won't get certain things on board. I know if we get them from the first year, so everything just came like, okay, then we have to, fix, strategies, plans, how to make people talk, because we already tell the fans already. And that's what I do constant for 3 years. And everybody keeps asking me for 3 years. And I feel it's so beautiful that when it comes, everybody should embrace it. Yeah, because in the history of Ghana, I don't know which artists were keeping album for 3 years, where people talk about them for 3 years. If you try this thing, you won't play show again in your life.
Interesting. I have another question. I am on Sadiq, and I happen to be there's a WhatsApp group.
Okay.
There's a part of some creatives. We're global. There are people from France, people from the US, people from the UK, and last night there was a conversation. Shatta Wale, is Universal buying GOG album?
Maybe now you have to ask.
You want to preempt it,
Sadiq?
It's these are some rumors, some things that we've picked up. That there's Sadiq, you have an idea about this?
No, Sadiq is saying something because I'm talking
what are you saying?
on Monday. So why wouldn't you wait for Monday?
You're preempting him.
No, I'm asking. I'm just asking because, like I said, I happen to be on an international. There's, it's quite global. It's a global network of broadcasters and stuff like that. And there was a conversation. Allah. No. When Sarkodie said that I wasn't part two. No. Yeah, I wasn't part. Those he was talking to, they know themselves. We are international. You chim that.
I would want to find out from Wale if he actually shares that view anyway, from on Sarkodie's view.
Oh no! I want to finish the Universal part first.
Oh, that one, John. Let's wait till Monday because say what I want to do. I want to do and make
Sadiq. No. Sadiq too is international. Sadiq, have you heard anything around that?
I want to wait till Monday.
I think it's on the phone.